Today we have a Thinkpad T410 and we're gonna upgrade it. Stick with me, yo. I've always heard good things about old ThinkPads. I've heard about how they can take a beating and they just keep working. I scored this T410 for free. It was recycled in non-working condition, and surprise, all it needed was a new hard drive. I threw one in along with Linux, and I got this thing running like it was brand new. Look at this I/O here. We got 3 USB, 1 display, 1 Ethernet, 1 VGA. On the back, we've got the power plug and a printer port. And then on the other side, we've got USB 3. We got a DVD. We got headphone jack and a external SATA port. Pretty nifty to have, even in 2024. I honestly have no idea what this thing is. And finally, we've got an SD card reader here on the front, also very convenient to have. I've already maxed the RAM out on this computer. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be swapping that i5 M520 out for an i7 640M. Should make this computer just a bit snappier. This will be the final upgrade for this computer. All right, and the computer's all back together. We're going to go ahead and throw the battery in, turn her on, and see what we got. Look at that. That's a good sign. We got the Thinkpad logo right off the bat. And boom, we're into Kubuntu. I'd say that's mission accomplished. As you can see here, we've got Core i7 M640 at 2.8 gigahertz. This is actually a very simple benchmarking tool. We're running a single thread here. I couldn't tell you exactly how it works, but it's looking for 92 solutions to a chess game apparently. Here on the Core i5, you can see that one thread took 15.2 seconds to finish. This is the Core i5. We're running 4 threads at the same time. And you can see here it took 7.5 seconds to complete. Now we're going to go ahead and run the Core i7. Here we're running a single thread test with the Core i7. You can see that took 12.851 seconds. Now we're running 4 thread test with the Core i7. And 6.2. So as you can see, it's not like a huge difference, but it's a good bit faster. For everyday tasks, that can make a huge difference. You can see here it's perfect for things like storing photos, backups, or even doing a little bit of gaming if you feel so inclined. It's a very useful old laptop. I should mention that I did put a solid state drive in it as opposed to the original hard disk drive. I also got this thing. The guy who dropped it off for recycling, man, he had everything for this, but you know, he was ready to give it up. It's pretty sweet. It's like a mounting dock. You can charge it, and if you didn't have enough options before, look at that. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I love it.